What's up YouTube? It's your girl Candid Crew back again with another video for my Candid Crew. And if you're not subscribed, then this is not for you because clearly you don't like the truth. So we're out here in Arizona, you guys, and today we're gonna be looking at houses. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I can't wait. But yeah, we're gonna be looking at houses today, guys, because we're supposed to be moving out here. I'm gonna go ahead and record all the houses that we look at today. Maybe we're gonna look at like 4 or 5 of them. I don't know, maybe more than that. It just depends on how much time we have. But I'm so excited. I can't wait. I cannot wait. But y'all, look at my shirt. This is so cute. Free hugs from me and Chucky, like, for real. This is so dope. That's what's on the agenda. And I don't know, we might look at 3 bedroom 2 bathrooms or 4 bedroom 3 bathrooms. I'm not sure, but whatever we look at, I'm gonna record so y'all can see and y'all can help us decide. Here we're doing house tours, so this is the first house that we're in. I really like the separate living quarters. If you're sharing with somebody, this is super dope, guys. This is so dope. It's a 4-3 separate bathroom, nice little sized room, and you get your own washer and dryer and a walk-in closet. So we're gonna go upstairs, and you get your own little kitchen. That's dope as well. So yeah, and then you go through the door and bam, main living room, main kitchen. So this is the fourth house we looked at, guys, and it has like a separate side of the house if you, I don't know, have grown kids or something like that that need their own private space, or if you want to rent out half of your house. It's set up that way. So this is super dope, guys. I really like this. It has a they'll have their own separate dryer, washer and dryer, their own separate room, which is this. And then you come out the room, they have their own separate entrance, which is the door right here. And they'll have their own separate bathroom. This is super dope. This is super dope. I really like that. And then they'll have their own separate kitchen and living quarters space, living room, and their own stove. And the last house that we looked at, guys, it did not have their own stove, and they'll have their own one-car garage as well. I really like this. I really like this. I'm really falling in love with this. This is so cute. So this will be going into the main house. And this would be the main entrance. We kind of went in through the wrong door, but how much is it?
Pas de soleil,